Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We are back with our '07 Honda Element here. And if you have ever done one of these, you've probably had the joy of having to go back and redo it because of an air noise or wind noise. And a lot of that is because this molding, when you set this on here and get it snapped down, your glass will be decked a little bit too low and you wind up with a small air gap between this molding edge and the glass, and then you get a hum and have to go back, pull it, and reset it. So I am going to show you a way to fix that. First and foremost, I told you before, save these guys because they come in handy. You can use them for gravity blocks on FJs, on Dodges, Rams, since they are no longer Dodge, and a plethora of other things. In this case, we're going to use them as a spacer block basically, and you're going to take the white one about maybe 1/4 of an inch, a little bit less, and we are going to cut just 4 of these like so, and we'll save that piece for later. And take these over here, and right now we're just going to set them here until we shoot our glue. And going to shoot our Express 30 with our Maritool Power Push 6000 AGR. So far so good. A good gun. I like it. Not as fast as the Milwaukee, but still a good tech will adapt to the tool when the tool is a good one. So let's go ahead and shoot this real quick. And then we're going to take our little blocks here, and if you didn't leave yourself enough room, or if you just want to use a short block, you most certainly can. Don't cut yourself while doing it. And all you're going to do is you're going to stick this guy right there like that. And you're going to do that in each of these corners. And what this is going to do is this is going to keep your glass from decking itself after you set it, which I have had happen as well. If you have to, just push the edge of it into the glue a little bit. That'll hold it in place. And again, all this is going to do is this is going to keep your glass from settling, or you yourself from decking it too low and winding up with that air noise. So get this taped here and get this set, and then we'll snap those moldings in place and show you the lack of an air gap, which is what we're trying to avoid. Trying to avoid that air gap. Make sure you check your reveals side to side here. Make sure you got enough space. Make sure your molding is pushed up where it's supposed to be, which this one is not. So we're going to lift this edge here. This one's not where it's supposed to be. Give that edge a little bit of a lift. Now we can push this up where it belongs, like so. Now, this all decked down. You can see our setting block there, basically keeping our height so we don't deck it down too far. Same thing over here, we got a little block there. You can see this one in here. Now, when you put these guys on, make sure you have the door open. And aligning these can be a pain in the butt. Sometimes you have to come inside here, look down this edge, make sure everything is aligning properly. Make sure you're tight up here. And then see that snaps underneath there. Like I was saying earlier, you do not need to glue this top down. And then you're just going to push these straight down, like so. And if we've done this right, you can look right here, and we have no air gap all the way down. You see I'm bumping this into here. We're sliding all the way down without dipping way underneath that. Grab our other molding. See, we got our top one glued in place there. Open our door and check our alignment here. So we get ready to drop this in place. And it may seem straightforward, but it is really easy to get these things off center, and then they won't lock down properly. Like so. And then again, a little bit of an air gap up there, but that looks like it's due to the glass bend, not due to us. And then this, again, all the way down. We are all good. So again, 4 little foam blocks will save you from having to go back and reset one of these. Super simple. Credit to my coworker John, who I've been working with for about 6, 7, almost 8 years with him now. So, or a little over 8 years with him now. That was his idea, and he saved both of us many a headache with that one. So, all right, that is preventing an air leak on an 07 Honda Odyssey, and it works for all of these ones. So see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.